Hi Vicky, I just started an email and it just took me way too long to write everything down what I thought. Just a few things, and I think this is generally for all website. This website is actually not too bad for a demolition site. I think this can really work if you redesign it. Especially we've got waste removalist, skip and hire, one of our clients, and it's one of our biggest case studies. We're absolutely smashing it for them. So I know that marketing wise, we can really, really make a difference here. But going to the website, I mean, you make this just a little bit prettier. I mean, this logo, hey, okay, it's just a logo. But this can look better. I like this. Big pictures are always good. Get free quote. This is not visible enough. So if you do the squinting test, if you squint your eyes and you can't see the call to action, it's not visible enough. So make this red, make this yellow, make this black, whatever it will be. This here, I mean, he does everything 1,000 other people in his area are doing. Why is he different? If he actually genuinely beat any written code by 10%, that is unbelievable. That is why I'm going to hire him. I want this on the top here. I want this very dominantly on the header, in the main image. I want to see it left, right, and center, because this is why people will call him and saying, hey, I got this quote from them, beat it. And if he does, he will get all the jobs. There's something funny here with the layout. Not sure what it says here. I can't scroll to the right. Before and after photos. I mean, of course, they're not aligned, and you can make that a lot prettier. I would love this on every service. They're so powerful, especially in this kind of industry, that people are saying, this looked how it looked before, and that's how it looked after. This could be me, this could be my garage, this could be my whatever asbestos removal it is. Testimonials, leave it. We love testimonials. With the services, you really want to send traffic to each service. So we need more, why does it not load? We need more content on here. Not sure if it's this website or just this particular page. So it might have just been this page. I haven't tried it before, so maybe just check if these pages still exist. This is not enough content, but it is okay. However, you really want a call to action, a booking form, get a free quote here. We book 10%, we beat anyone by 10%, put that on here, put a phone number here, especially if it says in the end, the only thing you have to do is pick up the phone and call us. I saw it on a few other services, but lead with a problem and not with a solution. So don't say, we can help you doing this and this and this, or these are the stats, blah, 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 blah. It's more like, can you not breathe in your property, or whatever it may be. So I just paused this because he's actually leading with a problem here. So this is good. I've looked at other things here before, and I really want to see what the problem is. So the problem is that you should have done your garden ages ago, but you don't know where to go with the waste. You don't want to ruin your car with the dirt or the smell or with anything. You don't know where to bring the waste to. Maybe it be toxic. Maybe you can bring it somewhere where a farmer can use it. I don't know what the problems here are. But that's a problem he is going to do the solution to. Phones, contact forms, before and after photos would be absolutely fantastic. So we can send traffic here. I like that he's doing this is a bit crazy. That he's doing this. I don't think it's very pleasing to the eye, but I think you can probably just do it better if you redesign the site. Free quote, this, I wouldn't have it here. I would just have it literally on every single site with this kind of thing about us. This is not enough. Great that they're working over all Sydney. That should probably be in Contact Us. But I want to know who he is. Is he just doing it himself? Does he have a team? Can I have a photo of the team? How long is he in the business for? What does he like? Does he really like having strata managers or individuals or body corporates to do easier demolition, house waste removal? It's like the stressed mom who has a new baby and waste is just piling up because her husband is doing renovations but didn't hire, skip and hire, whatever it may be. What's his passion? Why is he so good in what he does? Why can I trust him that he does what he says he does? So the About Us page should be a little bit more personal and maybe with some qualifications or pictures of the team. Finally, contact us is fine. It's clickable. Submit, make it red. It's a call to action button. Should be a lot bigger. Not sure if the comment should be required. The contact phone number should be required. So you don't want to get an inquiry without a phone number. The phone number should be required. The comment shouldn't be. That's about it. Thanks.